Last Pixar movie. The last Pixar movie was Monsters University. Who saw Monsters University? That was the last one. It's taken a couple of years for them to figure this out. You know, they had this on the drawing boards many years before Monsters University came out, but John Lasseter, the main guy of Pixar, said no, we're not going to release this. This went 2 years over budget. And John Lasseter, imagine what 2 years over budget does from a financial aspect. John Lasseter said no, our Disney guests, our Disney friends, our movie friends deserve better than this. So he accepted another 2 years added on to his budget. And because of that 2 years, we have now got what the movie critics are raving about. Are you a movie critic out there? And you are going to be raving about this film, Sweet Caroline. You're going to be raving. I don't know why I've done that. Well done. Well done. You're going to be raving about this film. It is the first movie in many years from Pixar Studios. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, you're staying up late for the one, the only Inside Out!
Where are we going, Sean?
Home.
No, not home. I don't want to go home, Mom. Come on, Mom.
We thank you for staying with us on board Disney Dream and wish you a safe and pleasant journey to your final destination.
Dad, I don't want to go. Do we have to leave? Can't we just pay an extension? Let's pay an extension. Bye. Wait, no, not yet. Not yet. We are now officially off the boat. Wait, Dad, let's turn back. Turn back, Dad.
We're back in the U.S.
No.
There's our room right above 11.
Goodbye, room. I'll miss you. Now we have to request that room again. And Marco.
10602.
Yeah, where are we going, Mom? Yeah, where are we going? Sad face. I want to go back.
I know in Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see and do it all. So please come back. Visit us again.
Please come back. Yeah, we come back almost every year.
And we do hope you enjoyed your fantastic experience.
So next cruise we'll go through Puerto Rico and go have lunch with Jaime on our San Juan stop.
I was going to say go have mojitos. I mean, Sean will probably be old enough.
You mean by the next time that we can afford a Disney trip after paying for college?
Yeah, really. That's what I meant.
Please hold on to the handrail.
No.
Sabas. Yeah, no. No, because then I'm going to college. Yeah. Ooh, look, there's a plane taking off. Back there.
There's one behind it way up there, you see it?
Dang, hard left, isn't he?
Oh, yeah. Look. at what I found. This is glorious.
I think this is where the Coldplay landed.
Oh.